Would you believe me if I told you that creating stunning visual narratives, animations, and videos is much easier than you think? Before, multimedia production was a daunting task, time-consuming, costly, and requiring specialized skills. Imagine the hassle of manually crafting each frame restricted by traditional tools. This process drained creativity and slowed down production. Frustrating, right? But now there's a solution that simplifies complex scenes, character movements, and visual effects. No more high costs or expert skills required, just endless creative possibilities at your fingertips. Stick around as we dive into the features, pros and cons, and real-world uses of this incredible tool. Introducing Kaiber AI, your new go-to for effortless multimedia creation. Stay tuned as we delve into the capabilities and advantages of Kaiber AI and uncover how it can transform your workflow. Don't miss out on exploring how this innovative tool can streamline your tasks and elevate your content creation to unprecedented levels. Introduction to Kaiber AI. Kaiber is an innovative AI art generation platform designed to empower users in crafting compelling visual narratives, animations, and videos effortlessly. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, Kaiber transforms creative inputs into captivating visuals, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. This advanced technology enables users to explore their artistic visions with unprecedented ease, making it accessible for both professionals and enthusiasts to produce stunning and dynamic visual content. Kaiber represents a new frontier in creative tools, leveraging AI to redefine storytelling through visuals. Kaiber AI offers a versatile array of features designed to empower users in creating captivating and customized videos effortlessly. 1. AI-powered customization. Kaiber AI leverages advanced artificial intelligence to provide deep customization options. Users can adjust styles, themes, transitions, and text overlays with intuitive controls. Whether enhancing existing footage or starting from scratch, the AI ensures a tailored video creation experience. 2. Diverse templates library. With a rich repository of templates catering to various projects, Kaiber AI accommodates diverse video needs. From promotional clips to educational content and social media posts, users can choose templates that align with their specific objectives and customize them to suit their brand or personal style. 3. Enhanced visual effects and animations. Kaiber AI enriches videos with visually striking effects and dynamic animations. Users can integrate overlays, transitions, and graphics seamlessly to enhance storytelling and engagement. The AI optimizes these elements for professional quality output, making videos visually compelling. 4. Audio enhancements. Beyond visuals, Kaiber AI offers robust audio editing capabilities. Users can refine soundtracks, add background music, adjust audio levels, and incorporate voiceovers with precision. This feature ensures videos not only look polished but also sound professional, enhancing overall viewer experience. 5. Intuitive interface and workflow. Designed for user-friendly navigation, Kaiber AI simplifies the video editing process. Its intuitive interface allows seamless project management from timeline editing to final export. Users can efficiently create, preview, and modify videos, maintaining control over every aspect of production. Having explored the extensive range of tools available with Kaiber AI, the next step is to leverage these features to elevate your content strategy. To ensure a seamless journey forward, let's delve into a comprehensive guide that offers detailed instructions and an overview. Step 1. Sign up and account creation. Visit Kaiber AI and click on Start New Trial to begin. Fill in basic information to create your account. Choose a username, password, and enter your email address. Click Sign Up to proceed. Step 2. Setting up your video. After signing up, log into your Kaiber AI account. You'll land on the dashboard where you can start creating your video. Input your text prompt and select your preferred style from the options available. Kaiber AI offers various styles including cinematic, retro, and more. Step 3. Customizing your video. Explore additional features such as beat syncing with animations, video length adjustment, camera movements, and animation frequency. These options allow you to tailor the video to match your creative vision. Step 4. Preview and finalize. Once you're satisfied with your settings, preview the video to ensure everything looks as expected. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Step 5. Save and share. After finalizing your video, save your creation. On the free plan, remember that commercial use is restricted. Consider upgrading to the paid plan for full commercial rights over your videos, priced at only $5 per month. Step 6. Explore and get inspired. Browse the gallery to see what others have created using Kaiber AI. You can also modify existing prompts to create unique videos that stand out. Step 7. Start creating. With Kaiber AI, unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Experiment with different prompts, styles, and settings to create visually stunning videos that captivate your audience. Kaiber AI offers intuitive tools for artists of all levels, enhancing creativity with user-friendly features and advanced options. It's perfect for beginners and professionals seeking powerful artistic assistance. Here are the top 5 advantages of Kaiber AI. 1. Limitless creativity. Kaiber AI empowers users with a spectrum of artistic possibilities by leveraging advanced algorithms to generate diverse and innovative artistic outputs. Whether you're exploring abstract forms or mimicking classical styles, Kaiber AI provides endless creative inspiration. 2. User-friendly interface. Designed to be accessible to all skill levels, Kaiber AI features an intuitive interface that simplifies the artistic process. Beginners can easily navigate the tools and settings, while seasoned professionals can delve deeper into customization options to refine their creations. 3. Quick iteration. In today's fast-paced digital workflows, speed is essential. Kaiber AI accelerates iteration cycles by swiftly generating and refining artworks, enabling artists to experiment more freely and efficiently. 4. Customizable results. Tailoring AI-generated outputs to fit individual artistic visions is effortless with Kaiber AI. Artists can adjust parameters and styles to achieve personalized results that align with their unique preferences and projects. 5. Community engagement. Kaiber AI fosters collaboration and connection within the artistic community. Users can share their creations, receive feedback, and collaborate on projects, enriching their creative journey through meaningful interactions. Kaiber AI offers a versatile array of applications across various domains. Here are the best uses of Kaiber AI. 1. Digital marketing. Marketers can utilize Kaiber to convert product images and promotional text into dynamic video ads for social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, enhancing engagement and conversion rates. 2. Content creation. Content creators can transform blog posts, articles, or even poems into visually compelling video content, reaching broader audiences through platforms such as YouTube or Vimeo. 3. Education and training. Educators and trainers can use Kaiber to develop instructional videos by converting educational materials and lesson plans into animated presentations, making learning more interactive and engaging. 4. Event promotion. Event organizers can create teaser videos using Kaiber by merging event details with captivating visuals, effectively promoting conferences, webinars, or concerts across digital channels. 5. Personal projects. Individuals can utilize Kaiber for personal storytelling or creative projects, transforming personal photos and narratives into visually stunning videos for sharing with friends and family. Kaiber AI offers numerous benefits, but like any tool, it has drawbacks. Here we'll explore 3 potential disadvantages. However, these limitations may not significantly impact its overall utility, as Kaiber AI remains valuable in various workflows. 1. Limited customization. Users may find Kaiber AI restrictive in terms of customization options. The platform may not allow extensive modification or adaptation to specific needs or industry requirements, limiting its flexibility compared to more customizable AI solutions. 2. Template dependency. Kaiber AI heavily relies on templates for generating responses or performing tasks. This dependency can lead to responses that feel formulaic or lack the nuanced understanding that more adaptable AI models might provide. 3. Learning curve. Users, especially those unfamiliar with AI or complex software tools, might face a steep learning curve when using Kaiber AI. Its interface or functionalities may require significant time and effort to master, potentially slowing down initial implementation or adoption phases. In conclusion, while Kaiber AI may have some drawbacks, its multitude of advantages far outweigh any limitations. This versatile and innovative tool continues to revolutionize content creation across various industries, streamlining workflows and sparking unparalleled creativity. By leveraging advanced algorithms and automation, Kaiber AI not only enhances efficiency but also facilitates the exploration of new creative avenues. Its ability to adapt to evolving demands ensures its relevance in the dynamic digital landscape, empowering users to achieve new heights in innovation and productivity. In essence, Kaiber AI stands as a pivotal force in reshaping how we conceptualize and produce content today and into the future. Interesting fact: Kaiber AI excels in creating visual narratives, animations, and videos effortlessly due to its advanced deep learning algorithms. It seamlessly integrates complex scenes, character movements, and visual effects with remarkable realism and creativity, setting a new standard in AI-assisted multimedia production. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of Kaiber AI with me. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more captivating insights by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore endless possibilities, and make the impossible possible together.